Hi everyone, I'm working on a new tutorial. This is it sped up of me working on it the other night designing. And yeah, it should be ready in a few days because you'll see in the next clip that, wait for it, I also in this little short ditty video have a couple of other tops that I have made and sold in the past that I guess I'll let y'all have the patterns for and make a couple tutorials for, maybe. The one I ask you if you want the tutorial for it. So be sure to comment in the boxes below because I do answer comments and questions, etc. And I appreciate them. So this is obviously t-shirt yarn. I know y'all probably getting sick of me working with green, but this is leftover yarn, tarn. It's really t-shirt yarn, so it's tarn. But I like to use everything up for sustainability purposes and because I'm a pretty poor person, lol. At any rate, thank you for watching my videos, for those of you do, and I hope you're making stuff out there. And if you ever want to share it with me, just go to Pinterest, Ella and the Moon, and show me your pictures. I also have an Instagram that I rarely use because I am not really an Instagram person. That is all of my talking for now, and hopefully I put up the subtitles in a timely fashion for once.